If you've got your tax set up completely done, if it's all taxes turned on, you'll have a section for tax settings. If you want to change that, you can click on it and you can see the different tax rates. We'll cover tax maybe in a different part of this video. If you're not tax registered or any VAT registration set up, this will just not be here. Let's press save, and you can see we've got a line in our quote for install boiler. We'll add a second line for remove old boiler. And press save. And you can see there's the second line. You can move things around if you want to put them in a different order. I'm quite happy with how that was. So put it back. And if you have any discounts or markups, you can just press on that. And maybe you want to give Larry a discount. Maybe he's a good payer, you can do things there. Or maybe he's a bad payer, you want to maybe give it a 10% uplift. It's easy to do. So we press next. And there we go. Without any hassle at all, we've created a quote which can be sent off to Larry. You can see it's got all the logos we set up previously. It's got the customer details, your details. Because this is a site, because this is going to one of Larry's properties, you can actually see the site address as well. There we go. There's the information we typed in previously. And there are the two lines, the install boiler and the remove old boiler. If you remember earlier on in this video, I mentioned that you can show and hide different things on your documents. A quote's pretty simple. It's just got the description and the price. But if you wanted to even hide those, you could do that. Or maybe you want to put some more information in. Maybe you have quantities. Maybe you want to actually split out the amount of VAT that's being paid and things. You can really get into the detail and show as much or as little stuff as you want. But I'm quite happy with that. So I'm going to press the confirm button and we've created a quote. So now what we want to do is send it off to the customer.